In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Firstly, you need to launch your keyboard and check if this microphone is visible at the top right corner. If it's not, tap on gear icon, select voice typing and enable it thanks to this switcher. When you're ready with visible microphone, you can finally click on it and choose while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Now my favorite part, click on your microphone and then select tiny icon that will appear right next to it. This one. Select next, hit done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To move your toolbar around, hold it, drag it and let go. To access some available options, click on those three lines on the left, like Show Emoji. To close Emoji keyboard, click on this X at the top left corner of it. To go back to standard keyboard, just tap on keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!